Thank you very much. Good morning. My name is Sizwe. I'm the Principal Secretary in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. I am going to be the Program Director this morning. We are gathered this morning to witness an event for the signing of the agreement on visa-free travel for holders of diplomatic and service passports between the two nations, the Kingdom of Eswatini and the Russian Federation. Our event is going to be very brief. Let me just go quickly and observe the necessary protocols. We have in our midst the Foreign Minister from the Russian Federation. We have the Foreign Minister of the Kingdom of Eswatini. We have Ministers of the Crown from the Eswatini delegation, the Minister of Tourism, the Minister of Commerce, Industry and Trade, and the Minister of Agriculture. And from the Russian side, we also have the Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs. I also want to recognize Excellencies, the Ambassador of the Russian Federation based in Maputo, and our High Commissioner based in Maputo, and also recognize the Secretary to Cabinet and other senior government officials who are in our midst. And of course, members of the press, you are welcome. In terms of our program, very short one, we are going to be witnessing the signing, and then the signing is going to be followed by brief remarks by the two honorable ministers. And then after that, we are going to have a brief conference. 4 questions are going to be asked. And should I say, we are very fortunate because all the 4 questions by the local media and the foreign media are directed to Honorable Lavrov, the foreign minister from the Russian Federation. Thank you very much for your attention. May I now invite the signing of this agreement. Thank you. Thank you very much, honorable ministers. we have witnessed the signing of a milestone of an agreement, and it is our view that there will be many more agreements that are going to be signed between these